At 4:30, former President Donald Trump says he will appeal his conviction a day after a New York jury found him guilty of all charges in his so-called hush money trial.
Yeah, Trump has called the verdict a, quote, disgrace, rigged, and an injustice. Michael George is live outside Trump Tower. Michael, some accusatory words from the former president there.
That's right, Mia. Cheryl, remember 9 years ago, right here at Trump Tower, Donald Trump came down that golden escalator and announced he was running for president. Well, today in that very same lobby, he walked in a convicted felon. He calls the trial politically motivated. Former president and now convicted felon Donald Trump said his team will appeal a New York jury's guilty verdict as he railed against the judge.
We're going to be appealing it on many different things. He wouldn't allow us to have witnesses. He wouldn't allow us to talk. He wouldn't allow us to do anything.
Trump was convicted on all 34 counts of falsifying business records related to a payment his former lawyer, Michael Cohen, made to adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election to keep her quiet about an alleged sexual encounter. Legal experts say her salacious testimony may be one area the defense targets for appeal.
The defense asked for a mistrial right after that testimony, and I think we can expect to see that again in an appellate brief.
As he has throughout the trial, the presumptive Republican presidential nominee once again claimed without evidence the case was orchestrated by his political rival.
This is all done by Biden and his people.
President Biden, who'd remained silent throughout the trial, pushed back Friday, noting it was a state, not federal case.
Donald Trump was given every opportunity to defend himself, and it's reckless. It's dangerous. It's irresponsible for anyone to say this was rigged just because they don't like the verdict.
Sentencing is set for July 11th, just days before the Republican National Convention.
How long this appeals process could take.
Well, Cheryl, justice moves slowly. Even if you're the former president of the United States, it's very likely that it's going to take months, not weeks or days, for the appeals process to happen. And I would say there's a very good chance that it'll still be in appeals when people cast their ballot in November.
Lots of folks will be paying attention on Sentencing Day and everything that comes after that in the courtroom. Thank you so much, Michael, reporting from Trump Tower.